How you doing? This is Steven, otherwise known as Hash Guy from cryptographic.com, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can stake your ETH for a 5% return. Now, to do this, you have to have the next level of debit card for crypto.com. When you sign up for crypto.com, you get a debit card. They have the regular basic debit card that you don't stake any CRO for, and you can still use it like any other card. But if you upgrade your debit card by staking $400 of CRO at the time that you're staking it, then you get the next level debit card, which is a metal debit card instead of a PVC plastic. You get better rates on crypto earn, and you get better cashback offers and other deals as well, like free Spotify reimbursement every single month, and like I said, you get better rates on crypto earn and cashback. Crypto.com app gives you cash back when you spend money on the Visa debit card and CRO rewards. Alright, so I'm gonna press pause and enter my PIN. So here's the main screen when you first log in, and we're gonna go to crypto earn, and we're gonna add 0.2 of Ethereum to stake for 5% return, 5% yearly return. So click this middle crypto logo at the bottom here, and then go to earn right here, and we're gonna hit the plus sign on the top right. So hit the plus, select which cryptocurrency you would like to stake, and I'm going to stake Ethereum. And right here it gives you a few options. You can do a flexible term where you can, it's a lower percentage, but you could take it out whenever. The 1 month term, which means it's locked up for 1 month, and you get 4.5% of the, what you put in yearly. Every day it gives it to you. And then the 3 month term, which is the 5.5% that I'm going to be doing right now. So we're going to tap on 3 months and hit continue. You got to understand all the terms. You can go through and read the crypto earn terms and conditions if you like. So you can check off all 3 of those, hit continue. And then here's your amount of ETH that you have, your ETH that you have. Then hit deposit. Confirm, make sure everything looks good, confirm it. Enter your, if you have the PIN, enter your PIN, and there you go. Now my ETH is going to be locked up for 3 months, and you can see right here I have a couple other terms going on. You can click on a term, an active term. Oh, that's my ETH. Click on the active term, and you'll see that every week it gives you the amount. You see right here it's giving me 88 back instead of CRO, which I thought it was giving you in CRO, but even better. If this video has helped you in any way at all, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this to all your family, friends, and social media buddies. Thank you.